Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use Boolean operation command discuss here. Okay, today CATIA lecture 57 is discussed here, and 57 is very important because today discuss here Boolean operations command. Okay, Boolean operations command is very important in CATIA software, and all command is discussed here one by one. Okay guys, CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, and today 2 points Boolean operations command is discussed here, and today only 2 commands is discussed here. First command is add and second command is remove. Okay, and next is one by one discuss here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software and then okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this is a Boolean operation command is first is assemble, and this is a add, and this is a here side add, and this is a remove, and this is a intersect. Okay, at first drawing a 3D any model, and then use a all command is use and then work. Okay, at first drawing a 3D model. Okay, this is very important, and first then you can see here we will learn here this command Boolean operation command, and you learn carefully because this is a difficult command and this is a difficult command, but learn today learn is easily solved, and but this process is learn carefully. Okay, at first going to insert, and two body is first body is already you can see here, but two body is okay. I select two body and then work two body. Okay, first body is click here body, and then again select a body. Okay, this is a part body you can see here, and this is a body 2 and body 3. Okay, and this is a very important, and this body 2 is select here and right click and then define in work object. Okay, this is a select here. Okay, and then okay, then body 2 is select here any work, then any work this interface, then body 2 is mention. Okay, at first select a plane is YZ plane, and any plane is select here. This is a XY plane. Okay, and this plane is select here. First is a sketch, second is position sketch. So today discuss here a Boolean operation command, then position sketch is learn here. Okay, and today select a position sketch. Okay, and this sketching position is pop up and is a select a XY plane. Okay, already select here. Okay, at first not plane select, at first select a position sketch is select here, and then position select, then plane is select. Okay, this is a XY plane, click here XY plane, this is a select a reference is XY plane. Okay, and okay, and this body is drawing a rectangle, and rectangle is a center rectangle better. Okay, center rectangle is better drawing here, and any body mention dimension is first dimension is 120 and second dimension is also 120. Okay, equal, this is a square, and then use a exit. Okay, and command is pad command is used, and then select a thickness is mirror extent is better, and this is a 30, this is a 40 is correct. Okay, correct. And body color is change here. Property color is very most, because two separate part is discussed here and both color is change here. Okay, first is blue color. Okay, and again part 2, click here, and this is a define in work object. Okay, this is a body 2 is click here, select here, and this is a position sketch, and position sketch is also same plane. This is a XY plane. Okay, this is a XY plane, and okay, and this is a, and this circle is drawing here. Okay, and circle dimension is circle diameter is 65. Okay, this is a correct, and exit, and this is a pad is mirror extent, and this is a size is more than this rectangle size. Okay, this is a 60s, 80 is better. Okay, preview is showing here, and this is a better. Okay, okay, and color is change here. Property and color is a pink color. Okay, okay, this is a correct, but this body is a not join. Two body is a first body, and this is a second body. Body is separate. Agar any two body is joined, then any command is any edit command is work, but fillet command is not work. Okay, this is a work, but this is a not work, because this body is not assemble, not add. Okay, then this command is a Boolean operation is used. Okay, this is a 3D command is 3D model is ready, and this object is first. Okay, first is add and second is remove. Okay, the discuss two command is discuss here. First is add. Okay, this is a add command. Add command is this showing here, is this command is pop up, and add body 3 is already select here, and add body is right click. Okay, this body is okay, okay, this body is any body is not select here, so add and 2 and 2. Okay, so first body is selected, click here, and then again a second body is also mentioned here. First body, I select first body, you can see here I select first body, this, and body 3 is already mentioned, already select here, automatic select here. Okay, then I clicked second body, and this is a preview is showing here, and this all line is a clear showing here, and this is a okay, and this command is all assemble, this two body is add here. Okay, this is a first body and two body 2 and body 3 is you can say here, but this is a body 3 is only body 3 is you can see here. Okay, this click, and this is a body 2. Okay, mention here. Okay, because all two body is assemble, all two body is add here. Okay, and this is a then this exit, this fillet command is work here. Okay, this command is work. Okay, but okay, and this is a Control Z, not work but undo. Okay, okay, two body so here, body 2 and body 3. Okay, and this body is not work fillet command because two body is also separate here. Okay, again use a add. Okay, and this body is body 3 and then again body 2, then preview is showing here and body is a click here and this is a okay, and this is a also body 2 is you can see here. This is a body 2. Before you can see here body 3 because first body is select here body 3, then assemble is body 3, and this is a select here body 2 and then you can see here body 2, click here and this is a pad and all body 2 is assemble. Okay, and also fillet is work this body and this is a work. Okay, and this body is mention body 2 here. Okay, okay, Control Z, this is a undo. Okay, and again second part is remove, then remove is body is a remove, first body is okay, okay, Control Z. Okay, undo is okay, body is separate body 2 and body 3. Okay, and remove command is use at first body 2 is select here and body 3 is okay, this is a showing preview is this is a remove body. Okay, and also okay, body 3 is you can see here. Okay, and this is a undo, again you can see here two separate body and again use a remove and then body 3 is and again body 2. Okay, preview is showing here and this is a correct, this body is remove here. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, and you can see here this is a okay, okay, and this body is okay. Okay, this is a undo. Okay, okay, guys, next lecture is coming soon. This lecture is complete here and Boolean operation command 2 command is discussed here. First is add and second is remove. Guys, any doubt about today this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment and sure I discuss your doubts. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and carefully. Okay, guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.